Gohar Hikmat Open Book Quiz Competition. Online registration process of Gohar Hikmat. Follow the steps to attempt Gohar Hikmat's quiz through our website, on specific dates. Step 1. Go to GIYF website youth.greenislandtrust.org. On the top menu bar, click on Gohar Hikmat. Step 2. Read the quiz rules of Gohar Hikmat. On the same page, click on Sign Up, even if you have registered in the past. Step 3. For registration, please fill up form. All fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Note, please mention a valid email address and mobile number. After submitting the form, you will receive an email, on the registered email address to verify your account. Step 4. Please check your email and click open the link to verify your account. Now log in by using your username and password. Step 5. After login, a welcome screen will be there with a message of your account is not approved. The account will be approved once you will effect the payment. On the same page, quiz rules and details of payment modes are available. Step 6. After the payment, please upload the screenshot of your payment slip, in Edit Profile under Upload Your Payment Screenshot field. If you've also paid fees of any other members, in the same transaction, please add his/her user ID, which is available on his/her Edit Profile page. After paying fees, you are eligible to attempt the quiz of Gohar Hikmat, from 5th till July 11th, 2020. Good news, this time, we will upload an audiobook of Gohar Hikmat too. Visit our YouTube channel GIYF1.